wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good evening everyone. Good evening Mr. Budi Sugandi. Good evening Mr. uh, Diono. Uh, the purpose we make this presentation to tells you to presentation about our project-based learning at mid semester. First of all, I'd like to introduce about our group. And me, my name is Muhammad Apranza. I'm here as a moderator, and I'm here as an electrical wiring and control setup. Okay,
Yeah,
Rafli.
all right. Okay, thank you. My name is Muhammad Raflianto. I'm leader. I'm handle overall coordination and project control. Next, Mr. Sofyan.
Okay, my name is Muhammad Sukana Fandi. I am a documentation and panel testing.
All right, I'm Nazli Kalam Hakiki as mechanical assembly.
Okay, thank you. For the next slide, I will present about progress for the 7 weeks. For the week, first week atau week 1, activity group formatting, creating a group and text division. For the expect result, group are matched and text distribution is even. For the week 2, activity as a team project and discuss about this PBL, Cartesian machine, and creating a strategy for the asset and discussion on progress. Next for week 3, receiving a material, accepting a material from laboratories such as a linear rod, acrylic, and etc. For the expert result, material obtained. For the next week 4, discuss about this project Cartesian machine, continue to discuss about the project and how to its work and technical. The group members understand and the results of the discussion were obtained. Okay, next for the week 5, design material and cutting. For the design, cutting material such a linear rod and acrylic according to the results of discussion. Next for week 6, collect additional material for improvement, like switch, DPDT, cable, diode flyback, and fuse. For the and expected result, additional material is obtained. For the week 7, or the last week before ATS, perform plan to assemble and creating a benchmark preparation. Create assembly schedule and PowerPoint presentation. For the expert result, presentation and schedule were successfully we made. Okay, thank you.
All right, and I will explain to you about project objective contents. And the first one, to design and build a simple Cartesian mechanism that can move along X and Y axis using only mechanical components. The first objective of this project is to design and construct a simple Cartesian mechanism capable on moving along both the X and Y axis. This system relies entirely on mechanical components without any electrical actuator, allowing us to fully understand the working principle of linear motion in a purely mechanical way. And second, to understand the basic principle of linear motion and mechanical transmission. Through this project, we aim to gain a deeper understanding of the fundamental principles of linear motion and how mechanical transmission systems work to transfer energy between components. And the third point, to develop practical skill in material cutting, alignment, and assembly process. Besides theoretical learning, This project helped us develop hands-on skill in cutting materials, aligning part and assembling components. To improve teamwork and coordination during the fabrication process, the project is carried out in a team setting, which helps us strengthen our collaboration and communication skill. We learn how to divide tasks effectively, coordinate during fabrication, and ensure that all work align with the design objectives. All right. For research content, number one, material BHP has been collected and verified according to the design needs. This step ensures that each component meets the necessary requirements before entering the fabrication stage. Number two, linear rod and aluminum shaft have been cut to the required dimension. The linear rods and aluminum shaft have been carefully cut according to the required dimensions specified in the design. Number three, acrylic base has been cut using a laser cutting machine for precise measurement. Number four, all components are now ready for the assembly process. After verifying and preparing all components, they are now ready for the assembly stage. Each part has been checked for dimensional accuracy and quality before processing. Number five, initial fitting test has been done to ensure correct alignment. An initial fitting test was conducted to ensure all components are correctly and assembled. This step
Next slide, sorry. Okay, we move to the knowledge we gain from building a Cartesian machine. First, we understanding of the coordinate system. Gain knowledge about how the x and y axis work to control precise movements. Learn how the position and motion are determined based on the Cartesian coordinate system. And next, principle of mechanics and kinematics. Understood how linear motion, motor rotation, and translation occur along each axis. Learn about speed, acceleration, friction, and mechanical. Next, basic electronics knowledge. Learn how to connect stepper motor, limit sensor, drivers, and power supplies. Understood how control circuits and power systems operate. And mechanical design and assembly. Gain experience in designing the frame, selecting materials, and assembling components. Learn how to use linear bearings, belt, lead screw, and rail guides. Analyze and troubleshooting skills. And the last one is learn how to perform. Calibration of steps per millimeter, speed and movement limits. Understood the importance of the accurate measurements to ensure results match the design. Okay, next.
Next. Okay.
Okay, this and on the next slides, this is our Cartesian machines challenge. So this is our challenge while we did our project. First, mechanical alignment issues, ensuring that all axes x and y are perfectly perpendicular and parallel can be difficult. Misalignment and can cause inaccuracies and mechanical stress. And second, vibration and stability. Poor frame design or weak materials can cause vibration, which affects precision and print quality. And the last one is wiring and electronics. Managing cable for motors, uh, limit switches, and sensors can be messy and prone to connection error. Incorrect wiring can damage component or cause the machine to malfunction.
Okay, all right. Uh, for the slides plan for the next 7 weeks. For the next 7 weeks, our project plan is divided into several steps to ensure the system is complete properly and on the schedule. In week 8, this activity frame assembly, job description, assembly acrylic frame, NEM motor mount, drilling, tapping, and counter six process. Expect the results is basic structure complete and stable. In the week 9, is activity frame adjustment, continue to acrylic assembly and frame balancing. This expects to result frame alignment and ready for exit setup. And week 10, axis installation. Job is install X motor, linear rods, and bearings. In expects the result is x-axis movement runs smoothly. In weeks 11, y-axis installation, motor, Mon Y motor, housing, and linear rods. Both X and Y axis functional. This expect result. For the 12th week, activity X electrical wiring. Connect to motor, push button, and power supply. This expect result is basic wiring system installed. And week 13, control setup. Organize cable and set motor. This expect result is motor control system function properly. And the last week, testing and troubleshooting. This job description, full movement and fix minor issues, and expect result is machine work according to design. Okay, next slide. Conclusion for this presentation. Our team successful develop a simple Cartesian machine and learn about mechanical and electrical. We are ready to continue with assembly, wiring, and testing in this tech. We face some challenges but overcome them through teamwork and problem solving. Okay, next to moderator Muhammad Rian Apriansyah.
Okay, thank you for all my friend for the presentation, and I hope you can easily understand about what we say. So yeah, I think enough for our presentation tonight. Thank you for the lecturer who helped us to finish this project. Thank you, and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.